Most LLM observability tools only tell you that something failed after the damage is already done. They show logs, traces, and metrics, but leave your team guessing why an AI agent broke and how to fix it. The result? Hours spent debugging hallucinations, broken tool calls, missed retrievals, and wrong decisions, often after customers have already been impacted. LLUMO AI is fundamentally different. LLUMO AI is a true reliability layer for AI agents. It doesn't just observe failures, it tells you what broke, why it broke, and exactly how to fix it before those failures reach production users. Instead of reactive firefighting, LLUMO AI helps you identify risks early, test agents against real-world scenarios, and ship with confidence. At the core of LLUMO AI is Eval 360, our proprietary SLM-as-a-Judge, built specifically to evaluate and debug agentic AI workflows. Eval 360 understands how agents reason, retrieve data, call tools, and execute multi-step workflows, because it's trained on over 2 million real-world evaluation cases. Generic LLMs like ChatGPT or Gemini can judge simple outputs, but they struggle with complex agent behavior, and they're expensive at scale. Eval 360 is optimized for this exact problem, delivering 29.91% higher evaluation accuracy while being up to 10x cheaper. By combining deep agent-level evaluation with continuous monitoring, LLUMO AI pinpoints whether failures come from the model, prompt, data, retrieval, or workflow logic. The result: faster debugging, safer deployments, lower costs, and AI systems your team and customers can trust. LLUMO AI, not just observability, reliability built for AI agents.